factor tree of 322. So 322, it can be written as 2 times 161. 2 times 161 means 322. Now 161, it can be written as 7 times 23. 7 times 23 means 161. So now we select prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 7 and 23. So we can write 322 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times 7 times 23. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.